I just saw Troy's car, so I'm about to. I wanted like to troll people like coming in, but nobody's came in yet. I just trolled the Subies. No, I trolled them. Excuse me, I got candy. But yo, I forgot. Yo, I was like screaming at these 2 cars. I'm sorry. I was screaming at these 2 cars that was coming in. Like, dude, like if you see me there waiting, like flashing you, I'm trying to tell you to go. Yeah, like I'm like flashing them. They just sitting there. I'm like, what the fuck? And then like everybody else was like, people like just standing around was like looking at me like, what the fuck? I was like, dude, like why are people so stupid? Like, what you think I'm just sitting there for my health? Don't look at me, bitch. Like, I'm not mean. I just hate like dumb people. I don't understand why people are dumb and don't use common sense. Like, what the fuck? Forgot. Oh, there he goes. Okay. Yeah, watch. Shh. What's up, yo? What's up?
Say, yeah. Fill my cup so high, all these emotions started spilling out. City got so cold, but you don't ever see me chilling now. Mentioning my name, they know about me, yeah, I've been around. Up there on the throne, that be the only time I'm sitting down. I can't stand y'all fakes, them boy pump they brakes. Shorty make some shake, I'm gon' make some cake. Dreams of living great, getting tired from the wait. Time is all it take, everything we got is straight. Speaking things into existence. This right here for all my youth out there that got a vision. This right here for those who speak what's real and no one listen. You find a diamond in the dirt and it's still gonna glisten. Hustling is all tradition. They had me mobbing the flows, I wasn't popping before, they wasn't show. I said I know I'm the illest, that feeling it come from the cold. Put me on toe, put my CD in the slow. Wait, I'ma do it myself, that's to the death. I keep on killing the game till there ain't nobody left, yeah. Look at me right in the eyes, and they still telling me all of these lies. Really, I wasn't surprised. Water is dripping and nobody cried. Thought you was right by my side. You got yourself and there's nobody else, yeah. Who gonna give you some help? Hey, me, myself, and I. Follow the goal, been on the road. Follow the code, breaking the mold. Dripping in gold, losing control. Holding my soul, do what you told. You get exposed, fight to the close. Next on the road, that's all that I know. It was never we, it was always 3. Me, myself, and I. That is just the way that it gotta be. Me, myself, and I. It was never we, it was always 3. Me, myself, and I. Getting to the places that I gotta be. Me, myself, and I. Stay down, that's way down. From NY to A-Town. Got dreams of living life great now. Can't wait now, don't spray rounds. Got no time to play now. I mean it when I say.
Yo, people follow my Instagram, but they don't like it. They still come to the meets I go to.
Hustle all my life for this night. My name in the lights. Haters going blind. What a sight. Doing what is right. When we get the chance.
They're probably like, why the hell are you waving at us?
Sticking to the plan. Come again. I don't understand the fraud talk. I be walking on the ball.
I don't know who that is.
Now I'm about to buy the property. See the people on the jacket.
Why is it so dark? When? Oh, you did it yet? What's up? What is it? Tus ventos? Ventes? How do you say go away again? Tus vente? Say vento? It's so dark. Wait a minute. Shush.
My soul, do what you told. You get exposed, fight to the close. Next on the road, that's all that I know. It was never we, it was always 3. Me, myself, and I. That is just the way that it gotta be. Me, myself, and I. It was never we, it was always 3. Me, myself, and I. Getting to the places that I gotta be. Me, myself, and I.
What the fuck?
Hey dog, come here. You want a treat? These guys think they're funny and they're making the Snapchat funny right now. What a tongue.
Snapchat funny.
I got a fucking milk bone for you.
Alright, I'm just trying to get the Subarus. That's all I care about. Okay, life.
This is a homage beat.
I think he's parked the wrong way.
Yeah, it's okay.
They're all parked the wrong way. I just noticed that. I just wanted exhaust. I hate you both. That's what I'm about to do.
This is a homage beat.
Meanie!
That's Brandon.
Meanie!
No.
Meanie!
No.
God, I love that rumble, man.
Spot right here. Drag radials if you're just going to the track.
Gang, 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 gang.
But
You? I don't give 2 shits. Oh, somebody! Hold up, yo. Hold up, what the fuck? Yo, somebody was in that damn Mustang, dude. And like, I didn't even know. I'm like video recording this dude. You're her. You're fucking smoking a doobie. Doobie Jordan. Okay, I'm done.
oh god, here she goes again.
I got to do it. I got to do it. What is with people like in these American flags lately?
Show your colors.
Are they gang banging? Like America gang banging or something?
I guess.
Look at it.
Oh my god.
Yo, oh, that's what I've been trying to get to. I'll go zoom.
Hey yo, shout out to Humbly Driven, feel me? It's my flex right here, you know what I'm saying? Shit baloney, so I put the balloons on it, you know what I'm saying? Good vibes only. That's a good vibes only, by the way. So for those who don't know Japanese, like me, so that's good vibes only. So gotta represent for the vibe here. Sun's up even when the sun's down. Yeah. One day you gotta catch me doing like a donut or something.
Yeah, dude. I've never.
Spiced up the block. You didn't catch it that night, so I have to.
Cause you did it like just spare the
I
moment.
told you, I did it. I did one, and I waited for everybody. So like 30 seconds, I'm gonna give him 30 seconds, put the timer on. Everybody's like, so
See, if I run, I fall.
They're on the way. When I looked up, it was a whole wall of people. So I'm like, all right, everybody's there. You seen the joint today?
Yeah?
You seen the joint today?
No.
When they
Hold
took
on,
the
what?
boot off.
Oh,
That
no.
motherfucker.
That's
Oh,
what
no.
I'm talking about.
What was it on?
I was on Instagram, Facebook.
Facebook. I saw it on Facebook. I'm like, I hate when that happens.
Yeah.
Oh, see, I didn't even
If
see
someone
it,
did that to
dude.
my shit, I'm like, alright, give me a jack camera, I'm good to go.
Sparkles! Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You catch it in the camera?
Yeah, no. I just seen like the inside, dude. Link in the description, y'all know that.
Yeah.
Probably my
Like
next
I put my
car.
front tag on.
This shit is loud as hell. I didn't know it was that loud.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit and meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.